TeamFullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So I'm here with another unboxing, another setting spray unboxing. Yes, I saw the setting spray all over the internet, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all over. But the one that really inspired me to get this setting spray, motivated me to get it, is the reviews on TikTok. I've seen a lot of great reviews and I thought, you know what? Let me just give it a try because I've never really tried this setting spray and I've seen so many great reviews and I really wanted to try it. So I picked up the Tilbury. If I'm mispronouncing the name, please excuse me. I picked up the Tilbury AIRBRUSH setting spray. I picked this up at the Buy a Cup, so it came in yesterday, but I was a little bit lazy to open it and I thought, you know what, I want to do unboxing for you guys here. So this is the packet that the product came in, and I got the large one. I think the 200 ml, that is the one I picked up. So let's do a quick unboxing for you guys. This is it. I'm so excited. Like, I am obsessed. Your girl is obsessed with setting sprays. This setting spray retails for 55 euros, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 55 euros. The shipping was very fast. Actually, it was very fast. And this is what it looks like. The packaging, they really wrap this one as if it's breakable. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. It's so cute. So this is the Tilbury AIRBRUSH setting spray. I've seen such a great review on this product on the internet, and I finally thought, you know what, I should give it a try. Same goes for the e.l.f. Cosmetics setting spray. When I saw it, and I was like, I need to give it a try because I love makeup, even though I don't wear makeup all the time, but I love makeup and I love my makeup to look flawless every time I do it. Yes, setting spray is not going to be the main key to having a flawless makeup. The base of the makeup must be good and you must know how to apply your makeup and make sure you blend everything correctly. But setting spray also play a great role in makeup and the long lasting of your makeup and how the makeup look, how everything set into your skin. So this one play a great role. So when I saw great reviews on this product, and I thought, you know what, I would like to give it a try. I don't want to miss out, so I picked this up. And yeah, let's open it. Let's open it. I can't wait to actually give this a try. I can't wait to like give it a try. Ooh, this is the big container, because I was like, let me just go big and let me just get it, because I don't know if I'm gonna get it again because it's quite pricey. If I like it, I might get it again because it's something I like. I'm trying to look for like a staple setting spray that I'll be using. I love the Makeup Revolution Oil Control setting spray. That's one of my favorites. And now so far I've been really loving this one also. As you guys can see, today's not the first day using it, but I've been really loving it. And I thought, you know what, if I can have something else in the collection, so at least let me have like 3 favorite setting spray that I can be rotating on, that would be really nice. So that's the reason why I picked this one up. And the bottle is gorgeous. Ooh, this looks chic, elegant. It's expensive. This looks chic, man. This is so AIRBRUSH. Ooh, okay. I can't wait to try it. And yeah, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys. Stay tuned. I'll be back to do a quick demo for you guys. For now, I'm testing the e.l.f. Cosmetic setting spray. That's what we're testing right now, and I'll definitely be back to give you guys a review on this one. I just want to show you guys the new one I picked up, so at least I can get rid of the box and then just put this in my makeup collection. TeamFullest, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. If you have tried this setting spray, let me know what you think about it in the comment box. I really want to know your opinion in the comment box, and I will be back to do a review and demo on it. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. TeamFullest. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.